Nakalian ka office jong ka amlaram EFC BDU bat ka MBDA kala shim ya kilat kilanti kumno ban plela Shuh ya kitay kilong yang gibadon halte ka atli gisnong ha ka jingwat banya jong ka DRDA juwai na ki khatlai tli kilong yang na Umladkhur bat saniyang na Thangbuli ki bajukhai kha Tyrkhong kilalap ya kate ka chet kam kilale na du hendai henthai ha ka ba ya kidok kha bikitong nawa mentru bat wa umwan kila Shuh ang bade pat siyo ha ka ni ka jingwat jingtip jongki lalap ru baka Nongpynmih ya ki kha Tyrkhong na gite gisnong kolong bai hadu sipau hadu khasan kilo ha ka sisni kataru tanga ka poliur kat bah ka portlang kalapoi syak apsan hadu laipau kilo man kasni kawai pat ka ba khamit nat kalong bai ya ka jingsang ya kite gidok ha lajule borobo dau khli ka yeng ne dau khun chnrang kat bai ya kite ki kha Tyrkhong pat lajule dia shayo da ka kmi jong ka yeng lani ka khun kan thei ka jingde ya kite gidok ha ru kalong ha ka ka balong pedeng namar ka poi tang gumba shispa so phau siklo.
Our women, it's very important for women of Northeast because iodine deficiency is a serious problem here. So to avoid that iodine deficiency, with the seaweed it's made. Okay, this way we're going to, make all the people taste. The pickle can be made by our women. It needs to only 3 hours, 4 hours we can make fish pickle. The advantage is we can store it for longer period and at least for 3-4 months nothing will happen.
Undai tang ba ubang ndai udai ru ubadan ba ay ga jingkwat jingkya namar ha unge ubon ba ka ay ga baki ong dai proteins mo kidi proteins ubon ba unge ki klung ki na ro yarap ba te namar kunni basna ba na ka do ha te in sawan eye training nakaliang jong isar in sa pha ay kibriu jong i ringkat bat ki tiar kitar ru umno banishna hapo arsngi umno ba pen penlek ni banishna ya na ka do ha kumni ban long ni bagi ong wafers fish wafers nếu sâu trong cái đó ha vì cái đó ha là bên nào nhiều phải chặt một trận thì là mỹ vì là cái đó ha.
Kombalong menta kidan afn rutli ki long yeng ha Umladkhur bat santili ki yeng ha Thangbuli bat kawai ka self help group ha Umladkhur ka ba pateng ye ka kam kum ka jing pateng ye ka kam bla lam khmat le ki mei ye pa ye bat ru kum sibenta ka la ka bai ki ji kumta na kalian ka MBDA juwai ha po ka jingalam jong project director ringkat ka jinga trailang bat nodal officer BDU amlaran block kilasim yak senjam banya kedo ye kite ki pai ba bat langta kila penlong ye jingalang pelu jungmut bat pha ru ye ki bat banai Pyntbit ha ka te ka kam syakaki nanda bat vaisa ka badon ha Andhra Pradesh ha unai lon man ta usnem
Lu mencuak kila trei yang kam san do ha ndrei phimtip bat wat mangiru ngimtip ba ka do ha kala banlong untuk komentar CPM dan basyat su dan balak banle asyar kedok ha kila banle chips kila banle ni topi dikani baro ki jingkit long kadai lemba ka jing wan jong ini kirusta syaka jaka juni bat kila loy ko wan radu kata ka jaka ka jinai ban jilut ki ka buat ta juni
chips itu kita wafers ni nomor papor itu kita ikut balak atau ruhu fish atau di khabar bangin semua bang ni ada kemudian ini kemon pelak ni kalah ni
day hak afndu tarik unai lor mentau snem bau Dr. Prasad principal scientist jong CIFT na Hyderabad ulai ke jingi ka yeki kumdo ban penokam Nongpynmih yeki weipat ki jat jimam na kodok ha kum ka serwa na kodok ha kabala penteliat bha ki asha dokha bat bonjat ki weipat ki jat jimbam.
The government of India thinks about besides food security, nutritional security. As a part of nutritional security, the Prime Minister, Chief Executive of this country, Sri Narendra Modi ji, when he is addressing the nation, he mentioned about the seaweeds utilization. So as a part of that one, we took up research and our institute made nutraceutical drink with seaweed and grapes. And fish soup powder also we are trying first time in Meghalaya. In the whole of India, this is the first field trial. Our aim is this fish will be utilized completely and it is given in the form of food to the people. Basically today we tried acceptability studies on using of fish nutraceutical drink with seaweed, then fish soup powder, fish pickle and fish wafers. So the result indicates they very much like the people out here, they very much like this product, all the 4 products. And what we are planning is, as a part of DSP program, we are going to conduct some more training cum demonstration programs for the benefit of these people here in Meghalaya. And we are going to give some more equipment so that straight away they can start. Fish nutraceutical drink, first time we are trying in the country. And fish soup powder. This is only research stage. Straight away we are bringing it to the field, and first time in the country, in the field we are trying with Meghalaya. First is the product is acceptable, then we can go for production. Okay? The fish pickles are produced all over the country. Fish wafers again, very little in Kerala and other places they are being produced. Our aim is development of entrepreneurial skills amongst the women, rural women, so that they will not only benefit themselves, they contribute to the development of the country.
Oh, so did you meet any of the people from here when they went for the training?
In fact, they came to Visakhapatnam on August 6th. They were very much impressed by the hygienic handling of the post-harvest fish and product. Especially in the whole of Northeast and Meghalaya, they like smoked fish very much. So we have shown them how to smoke curing of the fish by scientific and hygienic methods, employing community fish smoking clean that was developed, taken into consideration of the needs of the Northeast fishers. Those things we have established all over the Northeast 8 states.
So what did they learn in those few days that they were there?
First thing is they learn importance of hygiene. They learn if the product quality is good, it can fetch better price. Then it can be stored for a longer period. These are the things they have learned. That's very, very important. One is the quality of the food is very good. Second is it can fetch better price. Third thing is it can be stored for a longer period. Fourth is it can generate sustainable income to the people.
So what do you have to, message do you have for the people here, the village here, the people who are smoking?
Yeah, together we can make the difference. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.